I'm pretty sure.
It makes my hackles go up.
I need to have a little bit of a talk with you. Come on, suitcase guy. Yes. Okay, guys.
Why are we coming out here? I don't even have a Can we make a path? Like, we might get a strike. Like, how do you think I go swimming? Only if you could see me.
You go find something we can use as a flashlight.
Something
right in there, and you turn left. So there should be something right by the dartboard, right, suitcase guy?
What was the flashlight that we brought? We brought the flashlight.
Well, yeah, have fun finding it. Quinn ASMR. Quinn is coming. Brittany. Crescentt washing machine. Anyways, guys, when I come out here today, you cannot see me. I'm leaning off the edge. Oh no! I dropped you guys. Hey, super sky. I dropped the fan. I didn't. That would have been so funny though.
You should.
No, but then they'll go all in the sand. And
I had Brittany's shirt.
you have Brittany's shirt.
Yeah. It's from when he went on a field trip like 12 years ago, and the shirt doesn't even fit me yet.
Okay, guys. The reason we come here to film today is because I am celebrating my birthday.
Yeah.
I am turning 3. You
You're turning 14.
I'm turning 3.
14.
3.
14.
Fucking 3.
Hey, don't say that in front of the fans. I'll end the video.
What time is it? We gotta check our timer. I'll check real quick, suitcase guy. Yeah? I'm outside and there's cobwebs. Shocking.
Shine it down there. There's nothingness. It's a pit of nothingness. Down there.
Don't fall down there, guys.
Oh no, he dropped the camera. That would be hella funny.
Wait, I have an idea, suitcase guy. There's something I want to do real quick.
Can you go down there and film me?
Maybe. No, go to the front of the actual area. Like the general front of the balcony. La 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 la, my name is Brittany.
Rock down there. Shine it down there so I can see. And I don't hit the inflatable. Oh, watch this rocket. I can't see the ground.
Oh, he broke it. The rock broke, Ryan.
Dare call me by this thing ever again.
My bad, fam. That was my hammering rock.
Yeah. Ancient caveman.
Go back. Back.
What's going on over there, Grenade?
Why is this corner making sounds?
How much time is left until Brittany ages up?
I have to take a load, guys.
Okay, 8 minutes.
8 minutes.
So Brittany changes ages. This is gonna be epic. Give me the
Next
fans.
year we're doing
Look.
this in the basement.
Give me the fans. Give me the fans.
No.
Grenade.
You've already killed one of my eyes. I cannot see through one of my eyes.
What?
You blinded me.
In more than one way, haven't I?
Bro thinks he has
Go
this.
take a dump.
Not right now. I'll do it after.
I think I'm forcing you to. Go take a dump.
I don't want to.
Give me the flashlight.
No!
Give me the flashlight.
They're supposed to see this. No, hold it up so they can. No!
Give me the flashlight.
You're
I want
supposed to look at me in the eyes.
No,
No, you're not getting the flashlight. No, why do you want the flashlight?
I'm trying to tell me.
The rock is broken.
You broke the part of the rock. Be ashamed if this fell.
Yeah, it would.
No, I'm not gonna drop it, Grenine.
Bro, don't shine it out into the water.
Why?
Because people can see it from over there. Ryan, Suki's guy, stop.
Oh, give me the flashlight. I won't do it anymore. I'll drop the fan. I'll make you drop the fan.
won't.
I'll rip the flag off. I'll rip it. Oh no.
You're dumb.
Grenine.
You need to find the thumbtack that they were attached to.
I'm gonna die today.
We don't freaking step on it. Right there, fix it. Just,
I don't
it
see
just.
it. I don't see it.
It's underneath the carpet.
Oh, Grenine. I need light though.
Well, freaking just do that. There, you can see. I don't want the landlords to see me. I have 5 minutes of sad. It's 5 minutes. What time does that make that? I have 6 minutes, not 5 minutes. It's just pitchness down there. Suki's guy, it's so dark in here. Just put it through the carpet.
I did.
Suki's guy, do some ASMR noises.
I'm not wearing my iconic Super Sky item.
Why don't you go put on your iconic Suki's guy
I don't know
item?
where they are.
Of course you don't.
Oh, I lost
I have to take a shit.
I think I know where they are.
Hurry up. I'm sitting down in the chair. Hi guys. I'm Qressennt. I don't know how old I am right now. It's 11:55, almost 12 a.m. Slovenia. This is Slovenia, guys. This is Israel. This is Costa Rica, Argentina, Portugal, USA, Greece, and Germany. And there's more over here. I just gotta go. Mexico, Chile, Bangladesh, Spain, Turkey, and there's a few more. Australia's right there, and Sweden's over there. Ukraine is here. Jamaica's also here. Switzerland's here. The United Kingdom's here. If we look over the edge, this is cobweb. Haiti. How do I show you guys? You can see Haiti. And don't know how to show this to you guys. That's Antigua Barbuda. It's off the edge. And this is just my own custom flag. I got Canada over there on a pole. So you guys almost back. There he is, guys. You can see him coming out. He has a shirt on. Shh, guys. Be quiet.
It was you, Grenine.
It was my dog.
It was you, Grenine. It was you. It was you. It was definitely you, Grenine. Ouch.
Suki Sky, what time is it?
Hold it.
11:59. It's 11:59. Suitcase guy,
It's almost time for him to age.
I'm about to level up. I'm going back inside for this level up moment. Because I want to be on the couch. Hi, suitcase guy.
Crinny.
I know I'm Brittany.
Crinny. Crinny.
Can you hear me? In that case, I should be the host of this show. And another thing, that's a stupid haircut you have.
Crinny. It's gonna change time. He's about to turn 14. He's about to turn 14.
Brittany made it.
14, Crinny.
Brittany's aging.
Crinny's age
You
up.
knocked my chips. No, it's empty. Brittany.
Plus
Happy
one.
birthday. Brittany.
Can you hear me?
You set your alarm?
Yeah.
I can hear you.
It's time. Crinny is 14.
Think about that.
Crinny. See, guys, Crinny is 14. You can tell it's 12 o'clock.
14, you'll be 14 in like 8 hours.
Oh, great. Oh, great.
You're born at 8:30.
Landlord.
How do the landlords know what time Crinny was born? Is that when he came into the basement?
Yep.
So that's just when they consider him being born? Is that when you consider Crinny being born?
Brittany.
Open the store right now, Brad. Come on.
No, I was just gonna say the first person to touch you was Daddy.
Other
He held it
landlord.
before I did.
The landlord. Landlord.
Wait, wouldn't it have been the doctor?
Landlord.
Well, no.
Other landlord. You're my
Person to
landlord.
hold you was
You're my landlord.
here.
You mean the
My
landlord?
landlord.
My landlord, yeah.
We're leaving now, guys.
Landlord?
You're my landlord. Been on alcohol for too long. You owe me money. Suitcase guy. Before you get mad, there's one thing I want to say. You owe me $128 for the suitcase you bought last week.